Hey there everyone, Jason DePaoli here from Edge Strength and Conditioning here, doing another skiing video for you. So I'm back in my normal spot. I'm here again. I've done a few videos from this place. Last couple of times it's been snowing, but as you can see, it is pretty much nice and sunny. Had a light dusting of snow this morning, but it's now cleared up. But what I want to talk about is the basic skills of skiing. I want to make these videos nice and fun. So the basic skills of skiing, and I'm going to go through them quickly, then I'll go on about them a little bit more. So there's 5 basic skills you need to learn when you're doing skiing. So the first one is stance and balance. That's an easy one. So the next one is pivoting. The next one after that is edging, and the next one after that would be pressure control, and the 5th one would be timing. Now the last 2 can be swapped around, but I'll just go quickly through them. So first one is basic, easy. It's stance and balance. You've got to get your right stance and balance. Now when I say stance and balance, you want to get into an athletic ready position. That means you've got to be ready for anything when you hit the slopes, because this morning it was flat light, it was bumps everywhere. You could, hit a bump and fall over, so you've got to be ready for anything. So you've got to be taught that. So once you've got the stance and balance right, you'll be able to do better skiing, and you'll be able to absorb bumps much more better. So the next one is pivoting. And so that's really pivoting your whole leg, so you'll be able to initiate a turn. So snow plows into parallels, into carving, and that's like that. So the next thing comes straight after that one would be edging. So edging is really important to get on the side of your edges to do turning, obviously. So for parallels, carving skis nowadays are really good for this. So you get on your edges, you can get a nice lovely carving turn. And the last 2 is like timing and pressure. So pressure So pressure control, so once you initiate the turn, you just come up a little bit. It's called up underweighting. So you get this sort of you lift the skis not off the snow, but you sort of get the pressure off, and as you go into the initiation of the turn, you push down, and that will help you with the turn. So you've got that nice flow up and down. And the timing is pole planting. Those 2 can be swapped around, but pole planting is like when you're going on to reds and blacks, and you need to do a timing to get to the turn right. And that's the 5 basic skills. So once you get better doing this, you will learn and you'll get better as you go along. But for beginners, the basic first 2 is stance and balance and pivoting. Once you get those nailed, everything else just falls into place. So there we go. I'm here at LMZ. I'm going to just finish off now. I'm just going to do a round sweep so you can see everything. The sun's behind me, so it's not going to be very good. Then I'm going back. Hopefully you can see around. So there you go. Yeah, so 5 basic stance, 5 basic skills that you need to know for skiing. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like and share. Hit me up. Please find me on Instagram. I've got lots of information on there if you don't see anything else. And I shall see you on another ski video very soon. Cheers.